This is Miles Masa Foxman, 28 weeks old, jumping around on the jumperoo. Jumperoo! Oh, you're gonna be shy, aren't you? Oh, there you go. Guess he's hopping on one foot. Jumperoo! Bah! Whoa! You're going crazy over there. Bah! Okay, say Happy Easter, everyone.